Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video for you guys. Today I have a mini twist hairstyle on my 4C hair with a little twist. Yes, I added some color and some extra length to my mini twist. I'm going to show you guys how I did it. So yeah, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, turn on your notification bell, and let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so I've done regular mini twists on my hair a couple times before, and each time I do mini twists, my twists usually like end up shrinking up a lot as the days go by because of my hair type. So this time around I wanted to try something a little different and try to add like some color and extra hair to my mini twist at the ends just to give it highlights. So what I did was basically I did my regular 2-strand mini twist, 200 twists with my own hair. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just going to twist my hair, and then after twisting I actually wore my hair in mini twists like this for a couple days before I did the highlights in the hair. It took me 2 days to do all my twists. I've done half, and this took me about a day to do, so I'm gonna do the other half and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So this is actually 5 days after I finished twisting my hair, after I finished doing my mini twist. I wanted to wear my hair in mini twist just for a couple days before I added in the extra hair, and I also wanted to show you guys like how much my hair shrinks, how much the twists shrink before I go ahead and add in the extra hair. So this is what my hair looks like prior to the extra hair, and then this is what it looks like when I've started adding in the hair. As you guys can see, I've done a couple sections at the back, and I actually had to practice the technique that I used to add in the extra hair. It took me a while to perfect the technique because the mini twists are very, very small, so I had to really add in the hair very carefully. But anyways, this is the hair I'm using. Is QVR Hair. It is their kinky V bulk T230, so a color 2 at the top, color 30 at the bottom, 20 inches, 100% human hair, passion twist extension. And to be honest, this was actually the perfect hair for me to use to extend my mini twist because the hair comes in little strands that you can easily separate, and the hair is also very soft and it's human hair as well. So now I'm going to show you guys how I added in the hair, the technique that I used to add in the extra hair. You're going to be needing a latch hook and a bobby pin or a small metal clip. So you're going to pass the latch hook through one of your mini twists. Put the hair on the latch hook and just basically pass it through your twist. Pull out one side. Make sure both sides are about the same length. Then you're going to take the bobby pin or metal clip and use it to hold the point that connects your twist to the added hair. Because while you're twisting, the hair might start slipping and moving since the twist is very small. So you want to hold it so it stays in place, and you just start twisting until you get to the ends. So you're basically twisting your twist and the added hair together. So this is what it should look like. As you can see, it looks very, very seamless. My twist is now joined to the extra hair. Okay, so again, I'm just taking one of the strands that it comes in, and I'm going to split that strand into 3, and it's so easy to separate the hair. So yes, I'm splitting it into 3 because again, I did mini twists and my mini twist sections are very, very small. So I found that splitting the hair into 3 makes it come out better, makes your twist come out better. If you use one big strand like that as it comes, the end is going to be too thick for the size of the mini twist, so you want to split it. So I'm just basically doing the same thing that I showed you guys previously. Attach the hair, attach the extra hair with a latch hook, put the bobby pin to hold it in place, and just simply twist your own hair and the extra hair together. And while I was adding in the extra hair, I was actually like paying attention to where I was adding it in on the twist. So I wanted it to really create highlights in my hair. I wasn't just placing the extra hair at random parts of my twist, especially at the front. I was very strategic with where I put in the extra hair on my twist, just to make sure that I created nice highlights around in my hair. This hairstyle is a very intricate hairstyle. It takes a lot of time. It took me a week to do this hairstyle, and yeah, it's not like an everyday just do hairstyle. It's a very, very intricate hairstyle, especially when you're trying to make the highlights come out really nicely. So it's a style that you want to really take your time to do. I still have the hairstyle in right now as I'm doing this voiceover. I plan to leave it in for at least 3 weeks for the amount of work it took me to actually do the hairstyle. So now for my front 4 twists, I didn't really do, I didn't put any extra hair on those twists because I wanted it to look like shorter layers, like face framing bangs. So in case I wanted to like tie my hair up in like a side ponytail, I will still have bangs, like face framing bangs. So I didn't really put any hair on the front pieces on both sides. So now I am done doing half of my head. I just have the other twists that are still tied up left to do. I'm going to do those off camera, but for now I really love how this thing is coming out. So now I'm done doing all my hair. Like I said, I didn't really put any hair on the 4 front twists, the 4 on the left side and the 4 on the right side, just to create like bangs. But this is basically the finished look. I absolutely love. Do you see how nice the highlights look? The highlights look absolutely gorgeous, very beautiful. Oh my god, I actually did an amazing job with this. I was so proud of how this hairstyle turned out. It took me a week to do and it paid off. It took me a week to do everything, twisting my own hair and adding in the extra hair. So I'm just showing you guys the back, how it looks from the back. Now I'm going to show you guys the full look with makeup and everything, and also a few styling options. So you can definitely style this the way you would style regular braids. You can do 2 ponytails like this, a very 90s hairstyle. Or you can do 1 simple ponytail to the back. This is how I wear this hair most of the time. And as you can see, the highlights still look very, very good even in the ponytail. Look at that. Oh, this looks gorgeous. I love the color. Or you can do a simple flip to the side, and once again the highlights look absolutely beautiful. Oh god, I killed this. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. All the hair information is going to be down below in the description box, so please make sure you check that out. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking subscribe button down below or my face on the screen. Also, do not forget to watch my other natural hair videos. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.